Google quietly shipped a feature that turns any blog post, article, or YouTube video into a fully narrated short, with AI images, transitions, and a voice that doesn't sound robotic. No editing, no stitching 5 tools together, 2 clicks, and as of right now, it's free. I'm going to show you the exact workflow, including one trick most people miss that turns this from cool demo into something that actually drives traffic back to you. Here's why this matters. Until now, turning one piece of content into a short meant juggling multiple tools. One to write the script, another for the voice, another for visuals, and another to edit everything together. Google just collapsed that entire workflow into a single tool, and that is NotebookLM. Let me show you exactly how it works. Quick context if you haven't used it. NotebookLM is Google's research and notebook tool. It's free, you sign in with a Google account, and it's at notebooklm.google.com. Links below in the description. What most people don't know is that its video overview feature can now generate short-form vertical videos or longer explainer videos, all from one source. Cinematic style also exists, though it's not available in every region or plan. More on that later. Let's build one live. Step 1. Create new notebook. Step 2. Add source. This can be a web page, a YouTube video, PDF, pasted text, or a Google Drive file. Basically, anything public. I'm going to feed it one of my own videos on YouTube, hit insert, and it reads and summarizes the source in a few seconds. Now here's the 2-click part. Video overview short. It'll suggest a few angles to focus on based on the content. For example, I'll pick this topic angle. You can also type your own custom focus here. This box is where the real leverage is. Don't skip it. Type your call to action directly into the instructions, something like end the video with a subtle CTA so people subscribe to the channel. You can't storyboard this thing shot by shot, but you can absolutely steer the ending. One more thing I add here every time, a line about my brand colors. Something like use a palette of so-and-so colors where possible. So I'm going to put my brand colors here. It won't lock in 100%, you'll still see it drift, but it noticeably leans towards your palette more than leaving it blank. Worth the extra sentence. Hit generate. This takes 5 to 10 minutes, so let's queue up a second one while we wait, because you can run these in parallel. Second example, different industry, so you can see this isn't niche specific. Let's say something new drops in your field, a study, a report, product launch. I'll grab, for example, this article, paste the link, video overview, short. And this time I'll type, summarize this for an audience interested in AI in simple terms. That's it, 2 notebooks generating at once. 0 manual work. Real quick, before I show you the results, there's one thing that'll wreck this whole workflow if you skip it, and it's not obvious. I'll show you exactly where people mess it up right after these load. If this is already saving you time, drop a like now. It genuinely helps this reach more people. We're stitching together 5 tools for something that takes 2 simple clicks. Alright, both videos are done. Let's check them.
Gmail has a hidden trick that turns your one account into unlimited unique inboxes. Because using your real email for a random AI tools free trial just guarantees endless spam.
Notice it followed the narrative structure of the source almost beat for beat, condensed but coherent. And listen to the ending. Remember the instruction box I told you not to ignore? Listen to how this video ends.
Spotless. Subscribe for more tech tricks.
That wasn't added afterwards. NotebookLM generated it because I told it exactly how I wanted the video to finish. Most people think this tool is just paste a link and hope for the best. It's not. Treat that instruction box like you're briefing a real editor, and the quality jumps dramatically.
Do super intelligent medical AI systems still need a human physician in the loop? Because while a machine can process patient data instantly, it has 0 common sense. To prevent this, the AI must visually output its exact mathematical steps for every single decision. In medical ethics, this complete transparency is called lucidity. By reviewing this lucid map, manually overrides the rigid algorithm, catching exactly what the blind machine couldn't, and keeping the patient safe.
This one positions you as the person explaining a new development first, which is generally valuable for building authority in a niche. Same exact process makes longer content too. Instead of short, choose explainer for a documentary-style breakdown. I ran one of my own videos through this. Here's the output.
Okay, let's dive into an absolute game changer in the generative AI space today. Welcome to the explainer. We're unpacking camera split. That's going to spawn a yellow data block on your grid. Next, literally drag a connecting line from the output dot of that block right into your hidden treasure now before the inevitable paywall drops. Thanks for exploring this source material with me today. Now get out there and start creating.
One source, 0 edits from me. Quick note, there's also a cinematic style for more dramatic story-driven pacing, but depending on your region and whether you're on a paid plan, you may only see short and explainer. To be clear about what this can't do, you don't get shot-by-shot editing control, and outputs will vary. That includes the brand color prompt from earlier, which it follows loosely, not exactly. My advice, since it's free, generate the same source twice with slightly different prompt instructions and pick the better version. Don't settle for the first result if it feels off. One more thing to know, on the free tier, you're not generating unlimited videos. In my own use, it's landed around 3 to 5 generations a day, so plan your batch accordingly instead of burning through them on one source. Once you're happy with the video, 3 dots, download, you get the raw file. Post it anywhere. Think about what this actually changes. 1 blog post, 1 YouTube video, 1 PDF. With a couple of clicks, each of them can become a YouTube short, Instagram reel, TikTok, Facebook reel, LinkedIn video, or anything else that accepts vertical video. Instead of creating more content, you're getting more value from the content you've already made. That's why I think this is one of the most useful free AI tools Google has released recently. If you want more practical AI workflows like this, no hype, just real tutorials you can use today, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.